everyone, it's me Ellen. In today's video, we will going to have an unboxing. This video is sponsored and in partnership with the Philippine Embassy in Denmark. And I would like to say thank you to Miss Evelina Marisal Dariaga for sending the package. We received 10 Fiesta Kits and we already gave the 10 kits to the selected participants of the online workshop. And the line segment will be on April 2, 9 o'clock in the morning, Paris time, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, Philippine time. For the first episode of the second season, they will be featuring Pahiyas Festival of the Quezon Province with a short cooking segment and more. So don't miss it if you have time. And if mamimiss mo naman, you can watch the replay via Facebook page on later time. So guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing of this kit. So excited. Here is the recipe of the Pancit Habhab. And we have a brochure. I'm from Palawan, and also brochure of the Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. Okay, let's do this. Yes. Fiesta Filipinas Season 2, an online celebration of Philippine festivals. Makikita natin sa pagbukas ng box na ito is a brochure. An online celebration of Philippine Festival, Fiesta Filipinas Season 2, Pahiyas Festival. And here, let me read this. Pancit Habhab or Pancit Lukban is a pancit version that originated from Quezon Province. This noodle dish might look like the traditional pancit canton or stir-fried noodles, but there are some notable differences. This is best eaten with vinegar. We usually put about a teaspoon of cane vinegar for every serving. So here, ingredients of the Pancit Habhab. Wow! Pahiyas Arangyad TYI Kit, honoring San Isidro Labrador every 15th of May in Lukban, Quezon. Town folk could decorate their houses with keeping colorful leaves made from rice form into various art shape. One of them is Arangya. This kit contains a replica. Do it yourself and experience the spirit of Pahiyas, giving thanks for your bounty and praying for more to come. How to make Pahiyas Arangya. We have here next one is, let's continue. This is called keeping. Translucent colored leaves made from ground rice, fashioned into different art forms, make Pahiyas distinct and most famous among the many festivals in the country. The banana leaves organic coconut sweetener. Also, we have Pancit Habhab. And look at this. Pahiyas Festival ref magnet. And simoy ng Pahiyas. Oil. And we have the crackers, egg crackers. And one more. We have the chicken broth cubes para Fiesta. And that's it, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo ulit. Let's make Pancit Habhab, and here are the ingredients. Pancit Habhab noodles, chicken broth cubes. I don't have chayote, so I used zucchini, carrots, snow peas, and instead of bok choy, I used the cabbage, onion, and garlic. We're gonna use also the pepper, salt, oil, and soy sauce. Smaken det väl?
Ja, maar wel.
Once again, thank you very much Philippine Embassy in Denmark for taking the initiative of helping the Filipino here in Faroe Islands and in Denmark and all around the world. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy and like this, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless everyone!